plan, execute, and iterate. So develop a plan. What do I want to do? What are the skill sets that I have? Because if I have nothing, doesn't mean you don't have anything. It means you have yourself, right? So what are the assets that I have? I may not have assets in like hard assets like cash or connections, but what assets do I have? What am I good at, right? And you need to start at that basis point. That's the first thing I would do. The second thing is connections and relationships. Figure out the people that are going to help you execute. So how do you get into the room with the people that are going to facilitate your execution, right? So let's say I start from zero. First thing I would do, plan a way to make money online. You know, there's a lot of people that have brick and mortar businesses and they're like, oh, not everybody can make money online. Okay, perfect. Then you won't make money online. But my first thing would be plan. Plan what? Plan my ability to make $5,000 or $10,000 a month. How am I going to do that? Most likely online. Why? Low friction, low cost, high traffic volume of people. Very simple. How would I create a plan? First, very simple. What can I be the best at? I'm giving the equation for how to make money. What can I be the best at? You need to figure out what you can actually be the best at based off of your skills. If you're not the best, develop the skill sets to become the best. The second thing is I need to be in high demand, right? You can't be doing something that's not in high demand. You're in a great space. You're in an evergreen space. You're in the fitness space. You're in the health space. That shit's only growing. It's only getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And then finally, I need to be able to do something that I'm irreplaceable in. So I need to be the best at what I do. I need to be in high demand and I need to be irreplaceable. You look at all these guys that got fired from Amazon, Facebook, Google. Why? Replaceable. So if you want to make money, right? Make a plan to make money, figure out how you can be the best at what you do, how you can be irreplaceable, and figure out how you can be in high demand. Then execute on that plan. What does that mean? You need to develop a business plan. You don't know how to develop a business plan? Look it up, very simple, and execute on it. That means you said, I haven't missed a week in 14 years training. Same thing it should be with business. Right? I'm not going to miss a single deadline of everything that I've told myself I was going to do. And finally, iterate. Go back, look at the business plan, figure out what can I do better, and implement that change. And that's the cycle, brother.
Man, you know your shit. I'm impressed.